ito yung very iconic na cheese roll and hot chocolate ng Mary Grace na sa wakas ay nasa Pampanga na rin. At susubukan natin today hindi lang yan, kundi yung iba pa nilang dishes dito sa halos bagong bukas lang nilang store sa May Marquee Mall sa Angeles City. Ang ganda ng interiors nila, well lit and very elegant yung vibe. Meron din silang closed door area na parang perfect ipa-reserve for small occasions and family gatherings. At ito yung iba't iba pa nilang mga cakes that you can choose from. In the past, puro lang naman ako take out ng mga ensaymada nila pero first time ko magda-dine in. Kaya excited na ako. Tara? So syempre uunahin ko itong nag-trending ng matindi na cheese roll tapos ididip mo dyan sa very thick na hot chocolate. It's very rich tapos may slight sweetness lang na nagko-contrast doon sa saltiness ng cheese. Perfect match talaga kaya naman pala nag-trending. Sa mga salads nila, ito yung pinili natin. Meron yung prawns, mango, papaya, a mix of greens at yung napakasarap nilang dressing. It's super light and refreshing and very plump yung mga prawns. Ito naman yung seafood pasta na sobrang nire-recommend nung nag-serve sa amin. Meron yung shrimp, squid, mussels, and clams, green and black olives and tomatoes. Oil-based ito at napaka-elegant nung lasa. Tapos sasamahan mo pa nitong toasted na sourdough bread. Perfect na perfect yan lalo na pag iwa-wipe off mo yung bread doon sa residual sauces ng pasta. Nako, ang sarap. It's super rich and savory at perfect yung contrast nung tartness ng tomatoes. Up next, ito yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat ng in-order natin tonight, guys. Sobrang solid nito. Yung salad niya has a strawberry vinaigrette, grilled peaches, feta cheese, and crumbled walnuts. Up next, ito na yung perfect bite natin ng salmon truffle rice with the creamy dill sauce. The salmon has a beautiful crust on the outside with a pop of freshness from the sauce. Tapos yung truffle fried rice na maraming mushroom. Ang sarap nun. It's a match made from heaven. And then ito naman yung naging Father's Day special nila. Available yan until end of month. This is their ribeye salpicao with 2 eggs and garlic rice and automatically served with sangria. I mean, technically, this is a silog, but I promise you, you've never had silog like this before. Yung sangria naman nila is very light lang and super fruity. And for dessert naman, meron tayo nitong brownie a la mode. And as usual, perfect contrast talaga yung mainit na brownies with crusty edges and 2 cold scoops of a very creamy vanilla ice cream at may extra crunch and texture pa from the almond slices. And last but definitely not least, ito yung affogato cake. At bilang affogato yan, bubuhusan natin ng espresso shot. Very light rin lang yung cake na to kasi yung pinaka bread layer niya is yung manipis na brown sa baba. And then coffee and vanilla bean mousse na lahat sa taas. Tapos sobrang strong pa no espresso shot na ipo-pour over mo, magigising ka talaga. Pagkatapos kumain, syempre, nag-order din tayo ng cappuccino. And in fairness, para sa first time ko lang mag-dine in sa Mary Grace, tuwan-tuwa ako sa mga orders na to. Kayo, ano ba yung mga favorites and recommendations niyo from Mary Grace para next time yun naman ang orderin namin?